Hi everybody, here we are at Palouse Juice Bar in Moscow, Idaho. Palouse Juice Bar just opened up. It's a new establishment in town. They have great food and great juices, and they also have our FLOW HYDRO ENERGIZER installed here, which is doing some phenomenal things for Tony, who is the owner proprietor, and she's going to tell us a little bit about her experiences. Hi Tony, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Good, thanks. Okay. Well, would you like to tell us what you're experiencing with the Hydro Energizer?
Absolutely. We're really excited to have it because here in Moscow we have probably the worst water ever. It's got a lot of iron, it's red, it's really hard water, and I'm noticing in just a few short days the water is crystal clear, it's soft, it tastes better. All of our customers are saying how much they love the taste of it, and I'm noticing incredible differences when I wash my fruits and vegetables. It just almost feels like it tastes better too, and it's regrowing my wheatgrass. And you're not supposed to be able to cut this more than twice, and since I've been pouring the water from Gary's water system into the wheatgrass, I'm able to cut this 4 and 5 times. So it's really improving our quality of wheatgrass, it's improving the quality of our fruits and vegetables, and we're getting more out of it. So we're really thrilled.
Well, thank you, Tony. Also, just to be clear, we don't have physical filtration on this water. This is just energetic filtration using our energizing and structuring device, the Hydro FLOW Energizer. Check it out online at greenfieldnaturals.com. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.